Welcome to Data-Driven Consult. In this section, we will explore and compare the two most popular visualization tools, that is Power BI and Tableau. Both of these tools have similarities and also some uniqueness. As a beginner data analyst, you might be wondering which of these tools to use. We will cover this in 4 points to find out which one best suits your preference. Let's cover these tools on the following points. 1. Popularity. 2. Ease of use. 3. Data cleaning and modeling. And 4. Visualization. 1. Popularity. Both products are popular in the market and make up about 90% of the visualization market. However, Tableau is the older tool. Tableau was launched in 2003 purposely for business intelligence and data visualization. Power BI, on the other hand, was launched in 2011, but it leveraged on the market power of Microsoft, that is the creator of Power BI, to grow in popularity. So in terms of the business environment, many companies use Tableau as it can handle bigger data sets and can connect with wider data sources. Tableau is popular than Power BI, and you are more likely to find yourself in an organization that uses Tableau instead of Power BI. Number 2, ease of use. Generally speaking, Power BI is easier to use. It can be used by both new and experienced analysts. Tableau, on the other hand, is more complex and difficult to master. This is why Tableau is mostly used by experienced analysts and business intelligence professionals. Power BI is more or less an extension of Excel, so it has a lot of its interface and the mode of use similar to that of Excel. So many people find it easier to transition from Excel to using Power BI. Also, embedding reports in Power BI is really easy as compared to that of Tableau, where beginners might face some challenges. So if you are looking for an option that is easy to master, then Power BI wins this. Number 3, data cleaning and modeling. Data cleaning and data modeling are very essential part of data analysis. As a data analyst, you might be spending almost 80% of your time cleaning and modeling data. When we talk of data modeling, this is where you create relationships or links among different data sets or tables. Power BI has Power Query Editor integrated that helps in data cleaning. Tableau does not quite have this feature. Thus, you might be juggling between Excel and Tableau to clean data for visualization. The data modeling feature in Power BI is very good and is an excellent tool that provides options to identify primary keys and link your data sets. Another feature of Power BI is the historical record it keeps of all changes made to your data. These queries can be copied and pasted to return a similar data set. 4. Visualization. Tableau obviously is built for visualization. Tableau has added an extra touch and a wow factor to visualization. And as a company built on research, they continually improve on this. Both Tableau and Power BI has simple drag and drop features for creating visuals. However, Tableau has more options for customization, where you can create new types of visualizations which are totally unique. The Tableau visualization interface is sleek and makes your visuals more appealing with better aesthetics. So if you are looking to create a more pleasing and catchy visuals, then Tableau is the choice for you. Now, my verdict.
Whereas Power BI seems to have a slight advantage over Tableau. Both tools offer unique benefits, and the choice should be based on what your company prefers. If you are looking to break into the job market as an entry-level data analyst, then Tableau is more in demand. However, I think it is essential to know both of these tools to an appreciable level. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to support my channel to grow so that I can produce more data analytics content. Thank you.